Hi, this is Architect Cole Audio Visual in Winchester. Here's a little video of a lovely Alpine A110. This is the Legend version. We've just done an Apple CarPlay, Alpine Apple CarPlay upgrade in this. You can see there, it's a lovely screen, 11-inch. It's also movable as well. If I just pop the ignition on. There we are, the Alpine logo as well. This utilises all your steering wheel controls that are here. It's also got the volume control on here. You have got wireless Apple CarPlay, and then you've got wired Android Auto using the original USBs down here. You can see there's two, one left and one right. They both maintain. If you'd like to have this done in your Alpine A110, please give us a call on 01962 886 900 or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.